Hi, this is Diana Sinton, a Senior Research Fellow with UCGIS, the University Consortium for Geographic Information Science. And we'd like to tell you a little bit about our new platform for the GIS&T Body of Knowledge. What we're looking at right now is the platform, the open source tool that's primarily focused on visualization and search. And you can access this at gistbok-topics.ucgis.org. What we see here on the landing page are a list of our 10 different knowledge areas, alphabetically arranged here from AM, Analytics and Modeling, to PD, Programming and Development. And you can see each one of these knowledge areas here on the in the graphic on the left here has its own color. Let's click here on data management. What we see here is that the data management set has now has 7 different subtopics or units, as we call them, indicated from DMO1 spatial databases to DMO7 spatial data standards and infrastructure. Each one of those is indicated over here. Let's go ahead and click on spatial databases in this case. And now we see the individual topics that are part of the DMO1 unit of spatial databases. We can see the individual topics here. Let's click on one, for example, the NoSQL databases here. Now we see an individual topic listed. Now we can explore it further. We can expand it and see the full topic description, just as it has been in our other previous interface for the body of knowledge. That can be expanded. We can expand the different section on learning objectives, the references that are here, see information about the original author for a citation information. And this DOI here would take you back immediately to this particular topic. And you can see here it's permalink. It's permalink is the type of, this is the URL that has changed within our interface. This one now references this particular topic based on its location within data management and within the unit of spatial databases. We do have something here at the bottom that indicates versioning. This current collection was published on February 10th, 2024. You can essentially ignore some of the earlier versions. Most of the changes so far just have to do with the migration that we have happening. So for the most part, we expect to update this perhaps on a quarterly basis or maybe a little less frequently, but it just depends on when we'll be getting some new content. The other thing that we have up here at the individual topic level is a link to be able to see this topic in the Living Textbook tool, which is another platform that UCGIS is going to be making available. We'll have a separate video about this, but in any case, you can go back and forth between the two interfaces here. We'll talk about the additional functionality that the Living Textbook collection has on a different video. So back here, one of the things that's you'll notice when you go into the collection is there are still about 20% or so of our topics which have not yet been published in their full expanded version, and they're in the collection here just as placeholders. We can look at domain applications, which is the one, as an example, this is the one knowledge area which does not have units. These are just individually alphabetically arranged topics here. But when you get to a particular topic which has not yet been populated, for example, let's just take GIS&T and insurance, what you'll see for any topic which is still forthcoming is indication of exactly that this topic is forthcoming. We are either waiting for an individual author to make a commitment, or the topic itself is somewhere within the pipeline. As soon as it's available, it will be published here in this collection. This interface is also very helpful. This platform is very helpful for searching through the collection. By default, name, which is the title of the topic, is the only component that's going to be turned on. But if we click on others, well, let's first just, for example, take an example of typing in scale as a search term. What we see here are the two topics in which the word scale appears in its title: scale and generalization within cartography and visualization, and problems of scale and zoning that are part of foundational concepts. But if we turn on the other search terms for the the other components here, we can see that now we are looking for the term scale is appearing here within our results when it appears within any of these collections. And you can see as well that at every point, the topics within which the term appears, whether it's appearing in the references or the description, which is the full narrative, or the keywords, those are also going to be indicated here as black highlighted circles. So we hope that you find this interface for searching and exploring and discovering within the body of knowledge a useful tool for you.